Alright guys, it's time for some merch. We are stocked up and ready to go. We sold out a couple of weeks ago out of everything, but we have it all stocked up right now. First, we have our Hidden Motorsports employee shirts. They're small to 3XL. They got the company logo on front, name and address, all that good stuff on back. You've seen us wear them all before. Then we have our Klaus Barbarian shirts that Elite Designs and T-Shirt Labs made for us. You saw those all over at Cletus and Cars. The entire team wore them. They're absolutely amazing. Love these shirts. Hoodies are back in stock as well. We got this nice blue one that I'm wearing, and then we also have a nice gray one. I should be posting up all these pictures alongside of it somewhere around here. Those are back in stock. They're great. Hats, we got 4 or 5 different types of hats: red, gray, blue, black, everything. Got all the hats. Decals, there are 5 different types of decals. Go ahead and pick whichever decal you want. Also, from now until the end of the month, every order comes with free burnt rubber. That's right, real legit burnt rubber from Cletus and Cars. It's all over Klaus. We have a lot to spare, so yeah, we'll throw in some burnt rubber in there for you. But hey, help us out guys, support us, because all this money just helps going back into Klaus and other projects and other things that we're going to do in the future. Let's get back to the action. Morning guys, it is the last day here in Bradenton. We are actually about to head on home today. It's been crazy. The truck is all loaded up, ready to go. Klaus is all loaded up. Thank you for electric winches. We're packed full. Not really worrying about covering up anything like turbos or the engine, because I don't think it matters at this point if something gets wet or hurt, since, you know, there's a rod somewhere hanging around in there. So that's the plan. We're heading to Tampa, probably getting some lunch. I think we're meeting Morgan and Shane for some lunch real quick, because we're going to Tampa on the way back home. We'll do that, and we will keep you guys updated on the drive up there. Alrighty, about an hour in. First stop is Portillo's. We did a check. Surprisingly, suitcases, scooters, tires, everything is still strapped down pretty good and nice and tight. We got the rest of the crew that's still alive here, heading into Portillo's. Gonna smash. We smashed Portillo's. Delicious as always. Rechecked everything nice and tight. Garrett's gonna take the first turn driving, because I'm gonna start editing all these videos, which you've already seen by now, but we got a 17-18 hour drive home, so we're gonna get started. Another stop. We are just outside of Atlanta, Georgia right now. Of course, it's like 5:30. It says there's like an hour slowdown or something ridiculous ahead. So we're just getting some pizza, talking to people over here. Klaus is still doing good. Something's like wobbling a little bit. I don't know if it's a trailer, a tire, or something. We checked everything, it's good, but you know, that paranoid feeling of, hey, I feel something shaking, but whatever. We checked it out, it seems good, so we're just gonna keep moving along. All right guys, we are back. It's a few days later actually, because we got back the day before Thanksgiving, threw everything in the garage, threw Klaus in the garage. We were dead tired. We did not sleep the entire night, drove straight through for 19 and a half, 20 hours, because there was like a 2-hour accident, so many other delays. It was absolutely crazy. But now we got Klaus unloaded, tools put away, everything's organized, got him back out to show you. I just can't believe how beat up he got during the event. Looks like there is oil absolutely everywhere. The blue smoke stained all the inside of the intercooler piping and the blow-off valve, and the reason it's on the inside, because you saw during the burnout, it was just sucking it right back in. So that's awesome. The rest of the car is trash still. There's burnt rubber everywhere, but back half did hold up pretty well. But now for the engine, we got a couple options and I need your guys' opinions on what we should do. So you saw the engine's toast. Our Texas Speed 5.3 is completely shot. It overheated, seized itself, and now when we turn it over, it's knocking pretty well. You know what? We'll see. I'll let you guys hear it. Yeah, that sounds absolutely great. So we're gonna need a new bottom end, and hopefully just a bottom end. Everything else should be fine. So what should we do? Cletus and Jeremy from Faster Prom said that we should probably just get another junkyard motor, throw the bottom end in it, junkyard, with all of our goodies on top, and just go ahead and send it to the moon, have some fun. Still should be able to make 1,000 horsepower before it blows up. Also, we could go just straight to Texas Speed and get a fully built 427 like what Leroy and Ruby has. That's also very expensive. Or we could still do the junkyard motor, which is a couple $100, throw it in there. Also get a 427 block and then start to build the engine ourselves, which would save quite a lot of money. And then if this junkyard motor does last the entire time until our 427's done, which will be a couple months, then we could have some fun with this motor. We could turn up the boost past 30. We could spray a little giggle gas into the turbos. We could bounce it off the rev limiter. We could do whatever and maybe try to blow it up. Who knows? That's why I am asking for your guys' opinions, what you want to see. Put it down in the comments what option that you would have, 1, 2, or 3, depending on which motor we get. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just take like a week break. Probably not, I lie. It's gonna be a couple day break, and then Klaus is gonna be back in the garage and we're gonna get you the teardown video and we're gonna find out exactly what happened. But until then, I'll see you guys later.